Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best V8 Engine Kit is probably one of the most fascinating and rewarding projects for any automotive enthusiast. Whether you are a seasoned mechanic or a curious beginner, building your own small V8 engine kit offers a unique blend of engineering, mechanics, and the pure satisfaction of creating something powerful with your own hands. This kit provides an unparalleled opportunity to delve into the intricate world of internal combustion engines, learning about their components, assembly, and operation in a hands-on manner. Number 5. Playz V8 Engine Model Kit. It's a hands-on STEM experience for both kids and adults. Build your own working replica of a classic V8 engine and enjoy the rewarding experience. Watch it move. Powerful pistons, interactive cables, and even realistic engine sounds make this a truly engaging project. It's a perfect blend of education and entertainment. With cranks, pulleys, belts, and exhaust valves, it provides hours of fun. Bring this miniature engine to life and conquer those boring days. It's more than just fun, it's a brain-boosting challenge that supercharges critical thinking, creativity, and motor skills. Get ready to build and learn. It makes a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a captivating project that inspires young minds to explore the world of STEM. What we like. It boasts more than 270 parts, offering an immersive building experience. It runs on batteries, making it easy to power up and enjoy. If you're looking for a detailed, visible V8 engine model, this is the one for you. What people say. Lots of detail and opportunities for conversation about how and why it works the way it does. Well-made product, the description of engine is right on. This has been a great teaching tool for my grandson. All the pieces were there, and the quality of plastic was so-so. The instructions were enough for the boys to do it all on their own. It took a couple of hours without my interference, and we had an absolute blast putting it together. Number 4. Playz Inline 6 Engine Kit. It's a working model of a classic 6-cylinder engine. Perfect for adults and kids to build and enjoy together, fostering a love of STEM. Watch it run. This mini engine kit features powerful pistons, interactive cables, and even realistic engine sounds. It's a fun and educational experience. With cranks, pulleys, belts, and exhaust valves, it provides hours of fun and challenges. Bring this miniature engine to life. It's a brain-boosting build. This kit will supercharge your critical thinking, logic, and motor skills. It makes a great gift for birthdays or holidays. This DIY engine kit will captivate builders of all ages as they create and operate their own engine. What we like. This kit includes over 230 parts and showcases a realistic 4-stroke cycle. It's a classic 6-cylinder engine, a great alternative to the V8. If you prefer a slightly simpler build with a different engine type, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Lots of detail and opportunities for conversation about how and why it works the way it does. This has been a great teaching tool for my grandson, and his papa enjoyed teaching him the functionality of the parts as they put together. All the pieces were there, and the quality of plastic was so-so. The instructions were enough for the boys to do it all on their own. It took a couple of hours without my interference, and we had an absolute blast putting it together. Number 3. 1965 Ford Mustang K-Code Model Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of building a classic. This detailed model kit lets you assemble a piece of automotive history. It's incredibly detailed. With its moving parts and clear engine casing, you can see everything in action. Watch it move. The fan spins, the crank turns, and LED lights simulate the spark plugs firing, just like the real thing. More than just a model, it includes a 100-page collector's book filled with stunning photos and fascinating facts about the iconic Ford Mustang. No glue needed. It's designed for quick assembly, taking only a couple of hours with the included tools. Hear the roar. The electronic sound module and display bass play sounds recorded from a real 1965 Ford Mustang. What we like. This model is a detailed 1:4 scale replica. It comes with a collector's book filled with history and facts. If you are a car enthusiast and appreciate historical accuracy, this is perfect for you. What people say. If care is taken to clean all parts, this works remarkably well and is awesome. I also painted many parts of my kit which really enhanced its look. Also scratch-built an oil filter and oil filler tube and cap. This is a quality model engine with history book with it. It exceeded both of our expectations. I had a hard time justifying the expense for the model. After putting it together though, I have a better understanding of the components in an engine, how they go together and how they move. It has been a good and quick learning experience for me. Number 2. Robotics Vroom. STEM V8 engine. Get ready to explore the inner workings of a powerful V8 engine. This kit has everything you need to build your own replica. With over 270 pieces, you'll have a hands-on learning experience. It's perfect for budding engineers and car enthusiasts. It's a detailed replica, so you can learn how a real V8 engine works. See and hear it in action. Watch the cooling fan spin, pistons fire, and lights blink in perfect synchronization. It's amazing. This kit is designed to boost your problem-solving skills, manual dexterity, and give you a real sense of accomplishment. Enjoy the show without the high cost of gasoline. It runs on 3 AA batteries, not included. It's an ideal gift for birthdays or any special occasion for anyone aged 12 and up who loves STEM and engineering. What we like. This kit provides a fun and educational experience with over 270 pieces. It features realistic engine sounds and moving parts. If you are looking for an engaging STEM toy that's both fun and educational, this is a great option. What people say. My nephew is interested in becoming a mechanic and had asked me how an engine works since I have rebuilt engines and have a couple cars I am restoring. I got this for him thinking it would be a great way to see the internal workings. We spent an evening putting it together and he learned a lot. My son liked building this kit a lot. The engine noises were a nice addition. Number 1. V8 Engine Model Kit. Get ready to explore the intricacies of a high-performance engine. This kit offers a detailed and engaging experience for both beginners and enthusiasts. It boasts genuine precision cast and machined parts in anodized aluminum and stainless steel. Each component is meticulously crafted for accuracy and realism. With over 500 labeled parts, this kit provides a comprehensive and challenging build. The custom foam carriers keep everything organized and protected. It's not just a model, it's a functional simulation. Watch it move through its 4-stroke process, thanks to a Ray all-electric motor. It's a fantastic learning experience, fostering an appreciation for engineering and mechanics. It's perfect for bonding with family while building something amazing. Due to small parts, adult supervision is recommended for younger builders. But for those 14 and up, it's a rewarding challenge. What we like. This kit stands out with its 500+ high-quality metal parts. The level of detail is exceptional, offering a truly impressive model. If you value precision engineering and a challenging build, this kit is for you. What people say. Build fun and no missing parts. Instructions very good. This is an amazingly accurate metal model of a V8 engine. The quality of the machining and fasteners is excellent. This is actually a great model. It's not too difficult but it is time-consuming because it's a V8, so lots of repetitive assembly initially before the interesting stuff, timing chains, camshafts, etc. I've been around engines most of my life and this is a good and accurate rep of a V8. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.